Hey travelers! Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, ituturo ko sa iyo kung paano mag-create ng account or mag-register dito sa S-PASS.PH. Ituturo ko din sa iyo kung paano mag-upload ng swab test result para makuha mo ang iyong travel coordination permit. If you are traveling now, most LGUs require you to create an account dito sa S-PASS.PH. And to those who are asking about travel requirements, you can check it in the airline website or dito sa S-PASS. I'll just show you how to do it. First, punta ka sa S-PASS.PH. If you're a member, enter your phone and then password and I am human and then click login. Para ma-check mo yung mga travel requirements, click mo dito sa click here to check requirements. Are you an APOR, authorized person outside residence from a government agency? No. Are you in SEQ, MSEQ area? No. What is your current location? Pick or search your origin. If your origin is Manila, then search Manila. And where are you going? Pick, search your destination. For example, Bacolod. You are traveling from Manila to Bacolod. Then lalabas yung mga travel requirements. So you need to apply for a travel coordination permit. Please check the requirements of your destination LGU. These are the requirements for returning residents, locally stranded individuals, requirements for returning overseas Filipinos, for APOR, for non-essential travel, and dito sa baba, click mo tong register to apply for travel coordination permit or TCP. So, depende ito sa iyong destination LGU. Iba-iba yung mga travel requirements. Click mo yan to register to apply. So, dito ka dadalhin sa create an account. Click mo yan. And then, babalik ka dito sa first na page. So, scroll down, create an account. Click create an account. And then, member registration, mobile phone number, 10-digit contact number, no starting 0. Mag-start ka na sa 9. Your phone number. Tatakpan ko lang yung phone number dito. And kinapi ko lang siya. Confirm mobile number. And then paste. And click next. Login information. You can use suggested password. Pero you can also create your own password. And then confirm password. Then personal details, first name, middle name, last name, and suffix. And then sex, male, female, rather not specify. If you're a male, then pick male, and female, then pick female. Permanent address, region, province, municipality. And then house number, street, barangay, alam mo na to. And then client type, individual, academic, LGU, student, private sector, just select individual if you're an individual. And then enter your email address. We recommend adding your email address in the event that you forgot your password. And then just click submit. Review your information. And then pag okay na lahat ng information, just click I am human. Lalabas tong CAPTCHA for security and then to identify na you are a human, you're not a robot. Then verify and click confirm. So this is now your account. Welcome, your name, good job, registration success. So ito na yung account mo sa S-PASS. And then now, ituturo ko sa iyo kung paano mag-upload ng mga documents or mag-apply ng travel coordination permit. So dahil may account na tayo, pwede tayong mag-login ulit or kung meron ka ng mga documents na nahawak mo na, then tuloy-tuloy na, pwede ka nang hindi mag-back to login. So now, ipapakita ko lang sa iyo kung paano mag-login. Enter your phone number. And then password. I am a human. And then CAPTCHA. And then verify, login. Okay, so if you are traveling, generate your documents using this link or click the Are You Traveling link on the menu list provided. Pwede mo i-click tong link na naka-red, na word na link na red, pwede mo yung i-click, or you can click Are You Traveling dito sa left side. Okay? So, click ko tong link. So, mag-apply na tayo ng travel coordination permit. Again, are you a poor, authorized person outside residence from a government agency? No. And then, are you in SEQ/MSEQ area? No. What is your current location? So, yung current location ni passenger ay sa Parañaque and then babiyahe siya to Negros Occidental, Cadiz City. So, you need to apply for travel coordination permit. Please check the requirements. And then, ito yung mga requirements from Manila to Negros Occidental or sa Parañaque to Negros Occidental. Negative RT-PCR test result prior to travel, S-PASS, which is ito, yung ginawa ko. And then spass.ph. Okay, ito lang yung tatlo yung requirements. So, to apply, just click apply for travel coordination permit. So, type of traveler, students, local tourists, foreign tourists, returning resident, just click what type of traveler you are. So, for this video, she is an returning resident. And then, travel details, inuna ko lang muna itong travel details kasi nag-ask pa ako ng kanyang emergency contact person. And then, mode of transportation, select land, sea, air. Kung magbabarko ka, select sea. Kung magbabus ka, land. And kung mag-airplane ka, select air. So, air kasi airplane. Nasakay siya sa PAL. And then type, private, public, government. I select public. So, balikan ko lang tong emergency contact person. Enter your contact person just in case of emergency. Natawagan nila tong person na nakalagay dito. And then, emergency contact number. Origin LGU dahil na-input na natin to nung gumawa ko ng nag-register, nag-create ako ng account. Automatic na siya. Yung kailangan lang ilagay yung house number, street, barangay ng origin, LGU. And then, barangay and street number sa destination, LGU. So, if you are from Cadiz City, then enter mo yung barangay kung saan ka na-belong sa Cadiz. And then, additional travel details, example, plate, trip, flight number, dahil PAL, sasakay siya ng PAL, ito yung flight number, makikita mo to sa yung ticket, PR2131. And then, I am human, tap siya ulit. And click proceed. Your application will now be submitted. Please upload your attachment on the next page. Proceed. And then notice, please upload only the documents as required by your destination LGU. So, dahil wala namang government issued ID yung nakalagay dun sa requirements kung papuntang Negros Occidental o only RT-PCR test, so RT-PCR lang yung i-upload natin. Huwag na tayo mag-upload ng government issued ID. Kasi only required documents lang yung i-upload mo. Okay? So, just click choose file. Hanapin ko lang sa aking file yung photo ng result ng SWAB. Okay, so again, ito lang yung requirements ng destination LGU. Negative RT-PCR, S-PASS, and stays safe. And then, I am human, captcha ulit. And click verify. And click upload. So, upload finish. Your attachment have been uploaded. So, click view permit. If you want to view the permit. And then, makikita dito na pending. Status is pending. So, I advise na kung balak mo umuwi, makipag-coordinate ka muna sa inyong receiving LGU. Bago ka magpa-swab, bago ka magpabook ng ticket. So, coordinate ka muna ano yung mga requirements. Well, makikita naman dito yung requirements. Makipag-coordinate ka para maging aware sila na uuwi ka. Para the moment na i-upload mo dito sa S-PASS yung result ng swab mo, tatawagan mo sila na na-upload mo na para ma-approve na siya agad. Kasi, itong nangyari dito sa passenger ko, yung flight niya is 12 p.m. And then, na-upload namin yung result ng swab 9 a.m. Ang nangyari pa, hindi siya nakipag-coordinate sa receiving LGU ng Cadiz. So, ang ginawa ko ay tinawagan ko yung provincial government ng Negros at pinasa nila, binigyan nila ako ng number ng receiving LGU sa Cadiz para ma-inform sila na uuwi si passenger. Uuwi siya. Para makita doon sa system nila yung application mo ng travel permit at ma-approve nila. Kasi, hindi ka pwedeng mag-check-in sa airport kung pending yung travel coordination permit mo. Dapat naka-approve to siya. Okay? So, dapat coordinate first to your receiving LGU para smooth yung flight mo at hindi ka iiwan ng eroplano dahil lang sa pending yung permit mo. Okay, continue. So, papakita ko yung na-approve na. Buti naman in just minutes, na-approve siya at nakapag-check-in tong si passenger na to. So, makikita mo dito na approve. You can also go to my application page dito sa left side. Dito, i-click mo yung My Application para makita mo yung status. So, status approve. Date of application May 17, departure May 17 din. Kaya naghabol talaga si passenger dito na ma-okay. Kasi pag hindi siya nakapag-check-in, wala, masasayang lang lahat yung ticket, yung gasto sa SWAB, lahat ng efforts. So, again, contact receiving LGU first. So, sa action, you can click view. Click view. So, a status, approve. Okay, approve na yung status. And then, you can print form. Kung pwede mo siyang i-print or save as PDF or have a copy, screenshot sa iyong phone. Okay, and then click save. So, yun lang. That's how you create an account dito sa S-PASS, at ganun lang din paano mag-upload ng swab test result para ma-generate yung travel coordination permit. Again, coordinate your receiving LGU para hindi kayo magkakaproblema dito sa pagkuha ng travel permit. Hindi kayo makapag-check-in sa airport kung pending yung status dito. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have questions, just comment down and sasagutin ko yung question mo as long as alam ko yung sagot. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep safe everyone, and don't forget to like and subscribe.